Here's the uncomfortable truth. Creativity isn't a gift, it's a scam. Every genius idea you love, stolen, recycled, duct taped, and sold back as original. So stop waiting for inspiration. It's not lightning, it's shoplifting. And in the next 2 minutes, I'll make you more creative than 99% of people still waiting for a miracle. Skip this video, and don't worry, you'll stay perfectly average forever. People act like creativity is divine intervention, like you need to meditate under a waterfall, chant manifest, and wait for Zeus to airdrop you an idea. Wrong. Real creativity? It's theft. Smart, shameless theft. Picasso said, "Good artists copy, great artists steal." And he wasn't kidding. Picasso didn't wait for inspiration, he mugged it in a dark alley, stole its shoes, and sold them back as limited edition art. Every original idea? Just a remix of a remix. Even this rant, probably stolen. Look at your phone, your desk, even the chair you're sitting on. It's all stolen ideas mashed together. That's creativity. Einstein didn't wake up one morning and go, "Yeah, let's break physics today." He built on Newton. Newton said, "Apple falls." Einstein said, "Cool, but what if the apple bends space-time while falling?" Same apple, different flex. Van Gogh painted over 900 pieces and barely sold a single one. If he gave up early, the art world's biggest contribution from him would have been nothing. No Starry Night, no museums, just silence. The point? We only know these names because they didn't quit, not because they sat around waiting for inspiration. You want the real playbook? Here it is. Step 1. Overfeed your brain. Watch documentaries, read comics, touch grass, talk to that weird neighbor with conspiracy theories. Creativity doesn't come from silence, it comes from noise. Neuroscientists say your default mode network lights up when you're bored. That's why you get ideas in the shower, or worse, on the toilet. Step 2. Play mad scientist. Now smash those inputs together, like a 5-year-old with too much sugar and too many Lego bricks. Giraffe plus spaceship equals cursed masterpiece. Alarm clock plus wheels equals that stupid gadget that runs away from you in the morning. It's not about having one genius thought, it's about remixing until something sticks. Step 3. Release the monster. Make bad stuff, awkward stuff. Your first 20 ideas? Garbage. Perfect. That means you're warming up. The trick isn't avoiding dumb ideas. It's burning through them fast enough to uncover the smart ones. Creativity isn't magic. It's action. So stop scrolling, make something dumb right now. Oh, and hit like and subscribe. That's your first smart idea today.